Alright guys, we are here. We got this Lenovo laptop here. It's actually open boxed on Best Buy's website, and it's actually a this one is actually new for the same price, which is less than $100 with taxes, depending on your area. Is $100, new or used. First time, I think, in my video, I'm doing the unbox review. This is cord that goes into the brick. There's your brick. 45 watts. I don't know if you guys can see it. 45 watts. Nothing else in the box. Put that to the side. It is kind of bulky for size. We got a couple of manuals here. The iPad 1 series is the name of the make and model of Oasis. I mean, Lenovo. I'm saying that right. And this has some weight to it, guys. Like the little logo right here. We have USB, your memory slots right there. Go to home. Power headphone jack. It looks like Type-C charge and HDMI, Type-C headphone jack, USB, and regular charge. So we open it up. And we're gonna turn it on, which is power button is this circle. Might need a charge. So, with that being said, I'm gonna take this guy. We're gonna unhook this guy so we can plug it up. It's a Intel that's built inside. 14-inch HD camera with privacy shutter, so you get your privacy with your camera, and rapid charge, as I said, 45 watts. You always want to make sure you take these plastics off, just like that. Okay. Plug it in. Velcro. And go ahead and stick this guy in to its rightful spot. Right there. Take this guy. Well, you guys can see. Let's see. I believe it's also Windows 11. There we go, that's better. That's a better view. That's a good background. Please remove. So you also want to make sure you remove that if you're using the camera. Make sure you remove that. And obviously this is going to take a few moments to just wait, or just a moment. I like the texture right here, and if you look at the keyboard, nice and steady keyboard, nice texture. Make sure you remove that if you're going to use it. And we'll be right back.